Number 1.
1989 Toyota pickup, price $7,499, powered by the highly reliable 22 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. This rear-wheel drive truck has accumulated 254,000 miles and continues to run strong as intended. It comes with a clean title and is finished in a shiny white exterior complemented by an original factory blue interior. The truck has lived most of its life in Laguna Beach, enjoying a mild coastal climate, and remains completely rust-free. It is exceptionally clean, well-preserved, and largely original and unmodified. Recent updates include a newer bedliner, a Kenwood radio with CD changer, and upgraded speakers, while still maintaining its classic character. Mechanically, the vehicle is in excellent condition, having received recent servicing. The clutch and brakes are both in great shape, and the truck handles smoothly and confidently on the freeway.
Number 2.
1995 Dodge Ram 1500, price $7,995, powered by a reliable gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. It has 179,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. The engine runs properly with no known issues, and the transmission performs flawlessly. The exterior has been very well maintained, with paint in great condition and no visible dents or signs of previous collision damage. The front windshield is in excellent shape, and the truck sits on tires with more than 50% tread life remaining. A full-size spare tire is also included. Inside, the interior is exceptionally clean and well cared for, reflecting ownership by a non-smoker. All components are in great working order, including the brakes and battery, both of which are in excellent condition.
Number 3.
1999 Nissan Frontier, price $8,500, equipped with a 4WD drivetrain, a manual transmission, and a gasoline-powered 4-cylinder engine. The truck has an odometer reading of 205,000 miles, which is considered low for its year, and it comes with a clean title. Finished in brown, the paint and body are in excellent original condition and have been well maintained. The vehicle runs perfectly with no mechanical issues, and all systems function properly. The air conditioning works well, making it comfortable for daily driving. It recently passed a smog inspection a few days ago, and the certification remains valid for the next 90 days, so no additional smog test is required at this time. This model is known for having one of the most durable and dependable engines of its era, and it continues to perform very well even by today's standards.
Number 4.
1998 Ford F-150, price $6,000, well-maintained pickup with a clean title and automatic transmission.
It runs on gasoline and shows 111,000 miles on the odometer.
The truck features a shining white exterior complemented by a fiberglass bed cover and a durable bedliner, giving it both a clean look and added utility. Inside, it offers a clean gray interior and a fully functional cold air conditioning system for comfortable driving. It has recently been fitted with new tires and shocks, enhancing ride quality and handling, and comes equipped with a tow hitch for added versatility. Previously owned and operated in Los Angeles County, this truck has been properly cared for throughout its life. It includes a clean title, a verified AutoCheck report, and has recently passed smog inspection, making it ready for the road.
Number 5.
1998 Nissan Frontier, price $6,995, well-maintained pickup truck powered by a 2.4L gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering a reliable and engaging driving experience. It features a rear-wheel drive drivetrain and has an odometer reading of 127,000 miles with a clean title status. The truck comes in an extended cab configuration with a regular bed, offering additional interior space and practicality. It is equipped with air conditioning and power steering for added comfort, along with an AM/FM audio system for everyday convenience. Safety features include dual front airbags, active seatbelts, an ABS braking system, and a passenger airbag sensor. Additional highlights include alloy wheels, a sliding rear window, and a canopy that enhances cargo protection and utility.
Number 6.
1998 Ford F-150, price $4,999, powered pickup with an 8-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, 172,000 miles, and a clean title. It features a 2-speed transfer case, 3.08 axle ratio, and a strong suspension setup with power steering, power front disc and rear drum brakes, and a fail-safe engine cooling system, delivering a stable and dependable driving experience. It rides on 16-inch steel wheels with chrome hubs and includes a 130-amp alternator, maintenance-free battery, and cargo box lighting. The exterior is enhanced by chrome bumpers, color-keyed trim, privacy glass, a rear flip-out quarter window, and a removable locking tailgate. Inside, It offers a practical cabin with third-door rear access, split bench seating, power windows, a full-gauge cluster with tachometer, dual cup holders, auxiliary power outlet, and interior convenience features.
Number 7.
1978 Jeep J10, price $3,100, classic four-wheel drive pickup equipped with a V8 engine and an automatic transmission, designed to run on gasoline.
The vehicle shows 80,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean and clear title, with no back fees on registration.
This Jeep is being offered as a project vehicle and will require a full or partial restoration.
It is currently not running due to old gasoline in the fuel system and will need to be towed at the time of pickup.
The truck has minor rust consistent with its age, but for the most part remains all original, making it a great foundation for a restoration project or a vintage off-road build.
Number 8.
1985 Dodge D150, price $4,400, super solid and well-kept pickup with a clean title and 113,000 miles on the odometer.
It features a rear-wheel drive setup, runs on gasoline, and is equipped with an automatic transmission.
The truck is powered by a 225 CI/6 engine with a recently rebuilt top end, providing reliable performance and a strong foundation. Finished in a custom paint color, it stands out with a unique appearance while maintaining its classic character. Overall, this is a solid little truck with lots of new parts installed, making it an excellent candidate for a custom build. It would be a perfect platform to lower and swap in a hot rod V8 or a modern Hemi V8, offering plenty of potential for performance and style upgrades.
Number 9.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,947, for a WD pickup truck powered by a reliable 5.7-liter V8 gasoline engine mated to an automatic transmission. The vehicle has accumulated 307,000 miles and comes finished in a red exterior complemented by a beige interior. It is equipped with four-wheel ABS, power steering, and a tilt steering wheel that provide improved control and driving comfort in various road conditions. Convenience features include air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and power door locks, making it suitable for both daily driving and long-distance trips. Entertainment is handled by an AM/FM stereo with a cassette player, while oversized premium wheels measuring over 20 inches enhance the truck's bold stance and overall appearance.
Number 10.
1998 Ford Ranger, price $3,995, powered by a 3.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has 190,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. It features a green exterior paint and a stepside pickup bed, giving it a classic and practical truck appearance. The vehicle is equipped with chrome front and rear bumpers, along with steel wheels measuring 14 inches in diameter.
For handling and safety, it includes power steering, power brakes, and rear ABS.
Visibility and convenience are supported by intermittent front wipers, tinted glass, and exterior approach lights. Inside, the cabin features a split-bench front seat with cloth upholstery and rear jump seats, making it suitable for additional passengers when needed.